She flew in from Dallas, booked the penthouse suite, made dinner reservations at his favorite place to eat. She drove down an avenue by the greatest house of all, then traced his name on paper from the writings on the wall. She stood at attention and gave a proud salute, bowed her head and said a prayer with his medals on her suit. She took out a yellow rose as a tear began to fall, then waved it at his memory in the writings on the wall. Once a year she comes back and brings a yellow rose, champagne and strawberries, and the uniform he chose. She held the paper in her arms, and they strolled down the lawn to a private celebration with the writings on the wall. Sometimes I think she's lucky when I see her hold him near. She lost him to our country, but she wins him back each year. I'm the unknown soldier, and I'll catch them if they fall. But I hope I never see you trace the writings on the wall. I'm the unknown soldier, and I'll catch them if they fall. But I hope I never see you trace the writings on